Till last classes, we discussed about international system and Indian system. Now we are going to discussing about expanded form and short form. Today's our first topic is expanded form and second topic is short form. Now, first topic, what is expanded form? Expanded form is sum of the place value of every digit is called as expanded form of a number. To find the expanded form of a number, first you find the place value of every digit in a number. Then after add the every place value of a number. Then you get the expanded form. Sum is answer of the addition. Okay, sum means answer of the addition. So you can say sum of the place value. Already know how to find the place value. How you find? Multiply the digit and place, then you get the place value. Yes, sum of the place values of every digit is called as expanded form of a number. Now go for the example. Write the expanded form 452526. To write the expanded form of any number, first you arrange the places of every digit in a number. First you arrange the places of every digit in a number. Here what is the given number? 452526. First you arrange the places. See, 6 stands at one's place. First you arrange the places always from right to left. 6 stands at one's place, 2 tens place, 3 hundreds place, 2000s place, next 10,000s place, next lakhs place. What are the places? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs. How you get the place value? Multiply the digit and place. Okay, 4 into lakh. Plus sum means you should use plus symbol here. Next 5 into 10,000. See, I got here 5 into 10,000 plus next place. After 10,000 plus 1,000. 2 into 1,000. Yes, 2 into 1,000 plus next digit is 5. 5 into 100. 5 into 100 plus 2 into tens. 2 into tens plus 6 into ones. See, I wrote here lakh is number name. 10,000 is number name. Yes, here 1,000 is number name. 100 number name. 10 number name. 1 number name. So you should write the number of these number names. See, 4 into lakh means you write 4 into 1 lakh. Write the number of lakh. Next, 5 into 10,000. Here words are there. So you should write the number 10,000. 5 into 10,000 plus 2 into 1,000. 1,000 is there here in the words. So you should write number 2 into 1,000 plus 5 into 100 plus 2 into tens. 2 into tens means 10. 2 into tens plus 6 into 1. Ones means 1. Okay. Now multiply. 4 into 1 lakh, 4 lakh plus 5 into 10,000, 50,000 plus 2 into 1,000, 2,000 plus 5 into 100, 500 plus 2 into 10, 2 10s are 20 plus 6 into 1, 6 1s are 6. Okay, it is the expanded form of the given number. Go for the next example. What is next example? 2948137. It is the next example. Okay. To write the expanded form of any number, first you arrange the places. Okay. Then after you go to write the expanded form. See, first you arrange the places. 7. Always you arrange the places from right to left. Okay. 7 stands at one's place. 3 stands at tens place. 1 stands at hundreds place. 8 stands at thousands place. 4 stands 10,000s place. 9 at lakhs to 10 lakhs. Okay. Now you should write the sum of the place value of every digit. Okay. 2 into 10 lakh. 2 into 10 lakh plus 9 into next place lakh plus next place 10,000. 4 into 10,000 plus next 8 into 1,000 plus next 1 into 100 plus next place tens. 3 into 10 plus 7 into ones. Here words are there. 10 lakhs, lakh, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, ones. You should write into number of that Number names. See, 2 into 10 lakhs. Write here number. 9 into 1 lakh. Write here number. 4 into 10,000 plus 8 into 1,000. Don't forget to put the plus. Plus 1 into 100 plus 3 into 10 plus 7 into 1. Now multiply and simplify that. 2 into 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs plus 9 into 1 lakh, 9 lakhs plus 4 into 10,000, 40,000 plus 8 into 1,000, 8,000 plus 1 into 100, 100 plus 3 into 10, 3 tens are 30 plus 7 into 1, 7 ones are 7. It is expanded form of the given number. Our first topic is finished. What is our first topic? Expanded form. Yes, it is finished. Next, go for the, what is next topic? Short form. Short form is already know. What is the given question in the expanded form? That only short form. Okay. See, short form. When we write a number, whatever we write the number, that only short form. See, when we write a number using digits, the number is said to be in short form. See, short form. First example, you see 40,000 plus 3,000 plus 20 plus 9. Yes, 40,000, 3,000. Here, 2,000 plus 2,000 plus. This two digits you should read together in thousands place. So you should say 43,000, comma, plus here 20 plus 9. 20 means there is no hundreds place. So you write the 0. You know how to write 29. Now it is 43,029. See, 43,000. Thousands period after ones period you write the comma. Ones period how many digits? 3 digits. Ones, tens, hundred. 3 places. Okay. It is 43,029. Go for the next. Next place, next number, what is that? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakhs. 10 lakhs. How many lakhs are there here? 2 lakhs. Plus it is 80,000 plus 4,000 plus 200 plus 1. It is given question in the expanded form. Yes, you should write the number. How you write? 2 lakhs means 2 lakhs period, comma. Next, 80,000, 4,000. These two digits you should read together in thousands place. No, 84,000, comma, 201. You know how to write 201. 201. Okay, finished. Go for the next example. See, it is ones period, thousands period, lakhs period. No. So, it is 40 lakhs plus it is ones period, thousands period, lakhs period. How many lakhs are there? 1 lakh plus it is 1,000. How many thousands? 4,000 plus it is already know 200 plus 6. See, 40 lakhs plus 1 lakh. 40 lakh, 1 lakh. You should read together. 41 lakhs plus 4,000. There is no 10,000 place. So you should write 0 and 4. Okay, 4,000 plus 206. 206 means 206. See, I given homework for you. Write the expanded form of these numbers. How you write the expanded form? First you arrange the places of every digit, then you multiply digit and place, then you get the place value. Here next question is given. Write the short form of this. Short form is you should find the numbers, number of digits and number of places, then you write the number. How you read the number? You write here. See, 2,50,625. 2 lakhs. Lakhs period 1 digit. 50,000 2 digits. 2 comma 50 comma 625. 625. Okay, you get. So like that you solve these problems.